last week, last sessions, it means that they missed the videos, they missed the first weekend. Yeah, they can watch those videos and come up to speed, and I'm sure that the questions will get resolved ahead. Okay. Questions only in the question answer session. Okay. So we'll begin with verse 6. You all have your PDFs. Yeah. Ashtavakra Gita, chapter 1, verse 6. Now, till here, you have to remember the flow from the summary. Ashtavakra has already explained that you are like the space, and the space is asanga. Asanga, detached, naturally detached. Yeah? This space here in this room is not a holier space than the space in a terrorist room. A terrorist or a saint does not affect the space. Yeah? Space is naturally detached. Similarly, I am that space of awareness in which this waking state appears and disappears. I am that space of awareness in which the dream state appears. I am the absence of waking. That space of awareness is witnessing something in waking, something in dreaming, and nothing is of dreaming. So, asanga, nirakara, it is formless, and it is the sakshi. This is my true nature. Do you remember this from the last session, the last verse that we did in the last session? Yeah. So just like space is present all over, everything happens in it but cannot touch it. Everything appears in me, the awareness. Everything disappears in me, the awareness. Yet I, the awareness, remain untainted, untouched. My space-like nature contains everything. But I cannot be contained by anything. I'll repeat that. I contain everything, but I cannot be contained by anything. This is the meaning of the word omnipresent. Yeah. I am omnipresent. I contain all, but I am not contained by anything. That means, in short, I am formless, nirakar. Nothing can touch me. I am beyond all. So he brought Janaka to this point, and now he gives the strongest dose of the entire spiritual path. What is the strongest dose? We'll see in verse 6. Dharma dharma sukham dukkham manasani na te vibho na kartasi na bhoktasi mukta evasi sarvada. Righteousness and unrighteousness, pleasure and pain are purely of the mind. They are of no concern to you, O omnipresent one. Yeah, I explained what is omnipresent already. He's addressing Janaka as the omnipresent one now, because Janaka sees this experientially, yeah, not intellectually only. He sees it experientially. So he's addressing Janaka as O omnipresent one. Righteousness and unrighteousness, pleasure and pain are purely of the mind. They are of no concern to you. Why? Because you do not get touched by it. Just like this space of awareness, this space in this room is untouched by the objects in this room. Similarly, the space of awareness is untouched by righteousness, unrighteousness, pleasure, pain. These are two examples given here, but he implies the opposites of creation, all the opposites of creation. Clear? The second line is, you are neither the doer, na kartasi, nor the bhokta. Bhokta is the one who reaps the consequences of his doing. Yeah? You're not the doer and you're not the one who reaps the consequences of doing. You are ever free. Mukta evasi sarvada. Basically, you are not the doer and you are not the experiencer. It's not possible only. When you don't do, how can you experience the consequences of the doing? It doesn't make any sense. So now he's explaining this in depth to Janaka. You experiment, you verify, you do a self-inquiry technique. What is the technique? Ashtavakra says, because he is the creator of it. Do I know the thought before they arise? No, I see them on the screen, arise and play and trouble me, and then I see them disappear. So I know a thought after it has arisen. Clear? Therefore, I am not the creator of thought, neither am I the thought itself. So this is your experiment number 1. If you didn't get it in these 2 minutes,